Stop scrolling if you don't know how to install CapCut correctly. You might be doing it the wrong way. So in the next few minutes, I will show you the exact setup for beginners. Welcome to my complete CapCut course from beginner to advanced and even pro. If you follow this series step by, go from zero to professional editing just using your phone or your PC. So this is lesson 1, setup and installation. If you are new here, Lucas Asante, and welcome back to my channel. So without saying much, let's get started with the installation processes. So on our let's start with the PC version. Okay, so you might need a web browser of your choice. I'm going with Chrome, and head over to this website called www.capcut.com. Enter. This is the official page for CapCut. Okay, so what you need to do here is to click on download our installer, and our installer has been downloaded here, as you can see. Let's use our download folder here, and this is it. As you can see, this is not the software, this is just the installer. So in order to install your CapCut, you need to click on it, and here, as you can see, CapCut desktop installer. This is the installer. You might want to need active internet connection, and make sure your PC stays awakened whilst the installer is going on. So without wasting much time, let me just skip this or fast forward this. So before starting our editing, let's fix a few important settings most beginners ignore. Yeah, so you can see now, you can see something down here called modify. As you can see, this will take you to your settings, like the way you want the settings to be. As you can see here, aspect ratio, of course. Actually, if you are doing TikTok, or let me say YouTube, you can use 16:9. That's for YouTube. And if you are using TikTok, you can use 9:16, as the case may be. Of course, Instagram size are here 1:1. But for you to be more safer, maybe you might want to switch off, so you just use the original ratio, I mean the way you shot your video. So and the resolution, always leave it to adaptive frame rate. You can give it 60, so it depends on the PC. So for my sake, I would use 60 frame rate, as you can see. And now let me go to performance again. You see, turn this smoothly and faster without losing video quality. That's the pros. And you can leave it to 540 or 720. That again depends on your PC, but you can leave it to default or you can change it. So click save, and now we are ready to do our editing without any problem. Please always make sure your resolution is set properly, because it can affect your final video quality, your video from wherever you keep it. So you can go to import. Of course, I'm using this video. Let me just choose this one. Let's start a new project. So now click new project. Of course, we've done that, and click import. Select any video from your gallery. This is where editing begins. So let's go with this. Now this is your timeline. Of course, this is your editing timeline. This is where all your clips, audios and effects will go. And don't worry if this look confusing, we'll break everything down in the next lesson.